Are you a food explorer? Do you like to try meals from other countries? When I first came to Germany, I had this impression that Germans love potatoes a lot, and this is quite true. Most of their recipes have kartoffels in them, but Germans also have a lot of delicious recipes. You just have to look around and find such recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare one of such recipes. This is known as the Rouladen. The Rouladen is a classic traditional German recipe. It is mainly cooked during holidays like Christmas and Easter, and some households also eat them on Sundays. This meal consists mainly of thin steak, usually from beef, but perhaps pork can also be used. And then the fillings. The fillings consist of carrots, onions, pickles, bacon. And it can also season with salt, pepper, and paprika. Then after filling, you have to roll it up. You roll it up, secure it with rope. Watch the video to the end to see the rest of the process involved in making this delicious meal. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.